Hazrat Anas bin Malik radiyallahu anhu states, I know more about the command of well than anybody else. Hazrat Ubay bin Ka'ab radiyallahu anhu would also ask me about it. Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu says, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam awoke in the morning as Hazrat Zainab's husband. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam married him in Medina Munawwara. After the sun rose high, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam invited the people to a feast. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam sat down, and after the departure of the other people, some people also sat along with him. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then got up to go out, and I as well set out with him. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam reached the door of Hazrat Aisha's apartment. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then thought that they also had gone. So he sallallahu alaihi wasallam returned, and I also returned with him, but they were still sitting there in the same way. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereupon returned, and I also returned along with him. And he sallallahu alaihi wasallam reached near Hazrat Aisha's door for a second time. Later, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam returned home, and I returned with him as well. So they got up to exit. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then hung a curtain between me and him, and thereat the command of well was revealed. Sahih Muslim Hadith number 3492.